Unitysystems solutions. The ultimate play. Cutting-edge GPUs offer reliable frame rates for popular games. This machine features a GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU. Built on the NVIDIA Ampere architecture, these GPUs combine new streaming multiprocessors with enhanced RT cores and Tensor cores to enable the most realistic ray-traced graphics and advanced AI features. Experience dependably smooth performance for esports, AAA games, and everything in between. Accelerate victory. Game at pro speed with a lightning-fast IPS level panel up to QHD 165 Hz, 3 milliseconds with 100% DCI-P3 coverage, or the FHD 300 Hz display with 100% sRGB. With adaptive sync, the display's refresh rate synchronizes with the GPU's frame rate to reduce lag, minimize stuttering, and eliminate visual tearing for ultra-smooth and immersive gameplay. The keyboard's desktop-style layout features spaces between function keys for intuitive identification and hotkeys to keep vital commands within easy reach. A travel distance of 1.7 mm allows for effortless keystrokes with the potential to increase your input speed. Ready for anything. Comprehensive cooling sustains long-term system reliability and extends the lifespan of the TUF F15. New 84-blade arc flow fans use varying thickness to reduce air collision and an anti-resonance design designed for high airflow. Anti-dust tunnels eject air from up to 4 fan outlets, maintaining peak operation for longer and without extra fan noise, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in another world. Arc flow fans. Slim chassis leave little room for cooling, so we enhance every aspect of the arc flow fan's trademark to maximize airflow. The intakes are carefully shaped and positioned to draw in more air. Once the air is inside, it's blasted toward the heat sinks by 84 blades that are 133% thinner than conventional designs, yet strong enough to spin at high RPMs. These powerful fans amplify airflow up to 13% to keep your system cool.